Trading made simple with Kraken's OTC. Let's take a look at how Kraken's over-the-counter or OTC desk works. To get started, at the top of the page, click the OTC button, which will be visible if your account has a sufficient balance. Here, you'll find the option to become an OTC client. Fill in the required fields and our team will reach out to you. To have OTC manually activated on your account, you can contact our team at kraken.com/OTC. Once you have OTC activated, you can click on the OTC portal at the top of the page. This will bring you to the OTC dashboard tab, which gives you an overview of your OTC trading activity, your top traded coins, and a breakdown of your exposure and account limits. To make a request for a quote, you can click on the RFQ tab here, or simply click on Request for Quote. You can simply and quickly submit a request to buy or sell different cryptocurrencies. The drop-down menu lets you quickly select the asset pair you wish to trade. Currently, more than 20 coins are available with over 100 markets. Once selected, simply enter the quantity of coins or the amount to be used in the trade. Next comes your preference for settlement. An automated settlement will use funds in your Kraken account. As the name suggests, this option is quick and easy, with the settlement of funds occurring entirely with your Kraken account balance. The available balance in your account is displayed here. Click it to automatically fill the quote form. Take note that toggling between buy and sell will clear the quote form. To add additional funds to your account, click the plus icon here. You can also view our support page with detailed guides on how to fund your account with multiple currencies. For more customization, eligible clients can select the flexible settlement option, which allows you to trade immediately and settle later. Along with the white glove service from our team, the 24-hour settlement time gives you peace of mind and flexibility. Reach out to our OTC team if you have any questions or would like to enable flexible settlement. Once you select a settlement method, simply click to get your OTC quote. Quotes will appear immediately in the current queue containing the specific details. You of course have the option to accept or reject the quote. Any rejected or expired quotes will appear in their quote history columns below. When you select a flexible settlement quote, it will also appear in the current quote queue. After clicking accept the quote, you'll then need to confirm the details before the trade is finalized. You'll then receive an email with the confirmation of the transaction details. The quote will then appear in the accepted quote history column where you can monitor the settlement tag for confirmation. If you have any questions for the OTC team, contact us at otc@kraken.com. We'll be happy to help you.